Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play in zombies mode. So, uh, beside you can play with war player in rank match and also multiplayer match. You can also play in zombies mode. Click the zombies mode at the right of your screen. So this is the page of zombies mode. So in zombies mode, you have to play against the zombies, so you have to shoot as many as possible the zombie and you get the points of it. And also there's some mission or task that you have to complete. For example, this is a daily reward that you can get after playing in zombies mode. So back. So before you going to playing a main game, you have to play the tutorial it first. So this is the tutorial zombies classic. So confirm. Let's play the tutorial first. So welcome. This is the zombies mode. As you can see, you play against the zombie. You have to shoot as many as possible the zombie. So there's also in-game tutorial that you have to follow step by step. For example, buying a weapon. See, the more zombie you can shoot, the more point that you can get. So that's all for today. Thank you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.